To access self-service, you simply go to the Teal website at teal.edu and click on the Tomcat tunnel up at the top right-hand corner, which is the little white box. From here, you select self-service. You will now be prompted to log in. Your username is your 9-digit ID number. For your password, you will use the same password that you use for all other Teal systems such as Moodle and your email, and then click Sign In. Now you will be at your self-service homepage. To access your schedule, you go to the Registration tab and select My Schedule. Here you will see your schedule. It automatically appears more in a calendar table format. If you'd rather see it in a list format, in the upper right-hand side of your screen, you click the List button and it will list it in that format. If you want to print your schedule, you click Print and it will always print in the list format regardless of whether you have it on calendar or list format. If you'd like to add a course, you go to the Registration tab, select Courses, search on the course title, or if you need a more specific search, you can use the advanced search. Hit Enter. Then you'll see the course offerings and the seats left. If a seat is available, then you can click the Add button and it will be added to your cart. Once it's added to your cart, then you need to select Register. From here, your course will be listed in pending status until your advisor approves it. If you would like to drop a class, you simply go to the Registration tab, select My Schedule, then click on the View Cart button. And in your cart, you will see your courses in which you are enrolled. Find the course that you want to drop and click the trash can icon to drop that course. You will then have a pop-up window that asks you, are you sure you want to drop the course? You're going to click Drop Course. And again, your course will be dropped once your instructor approves the drop. If you'd like to access your unofficial transcript through self-service, you simply click on the Grades tab and select Unofficial Transcript. This will show all the courses in which you've received credit, including your grade. It will also show the courses that you are currently registered in. If you would like to print a copy of your transcript, you simply click the Print button in the upper right-hand corner. I hope you find this new version of self-service is mobile friendly, so you can easily navigate this from your mobile device as well as your laptop.